At Ortho Clinical Diagnostics, we're reimagining what's possible in the clinical laboratory. And we're doing it through our expertise, expanded menu, and proprietary technology. It starts with Ortho's Vitros systems, a portfolio of analyzers that serve small, medium, and large volume clinical labs. And at the heart of it is Ortho's unique microslide, an entire integrated test environment on a thin piece of film. Unlike wet chemistry technologies, microslide is waterless and based on our proprietary dry slide technology. Ortho remains the only global provider of this worldwide. How does this benefit your lab? Dry slides don't require water, plumbing, or filtration systems. There are no costs to build and maintain those types of water-related systems. And even more importantly, no negative impact to test results because of water quality. That's why you can find our dry slide technology in use in developing countries, developed countries, and even on aircraft carriers and humanitarian aid ships around the world. Another benefit is that it only requires a very small sample of blood or urine, which can be crucial for some of our most important patients. Our microslide's unique assay architecture uses different special purpose layers that optimize the performance of your tests. Each microslide includes a semi-permeable membrane that ensures better quality results. It filters out large proteins, lipids, and hemoglobin so they don't interfere with results and lets through molecules needed for analysis. Ortho's Vitros systems also deliver powerful benefits through our micro-tip and micro-well technologies. Micro-tip tests for therapeutic and illicit drugs, as well as for certain proteins. It doesn't require an external water source, and our unique algorithm and camera detect air bubbles and particles inside microtip, warning when they could interfere with the result. Our microtip reagents are easy to use and are refrigerated inside our analyzer to save you time and maximize stability. Our micro-well dramatically increases the light output or signal of a chemical reaction, making it easier to measure target molecules, especially when they occur at lower concentrations. The light output is sustained, giving the instrument additional time to make a robust measurement. It's yet another way Ortho increases the sensitivity and precision of test results. Our innate understanding of the clinical lab enables Ortho to design instruments that automate processes, remove process steps, and build in safety and quality checks. For example, our systems warn when bubbles or fibrin clots are present in samples and could potentially affect results. They flag results that are affected by common interferences like bilirubin or ruptured red blood cells, for example. Vitros systems then report in real time a status on the quality of every result. And it does all of this in less than a second. Ensuring the quality of test results while increasing efficiency in the lab is our priority, and we have designed quality into Vitros systems. A large number of samples are processed in a small footprint routinely on our Vitros analyzers, while stat samples can be accommodated seamlessly. That means no disruption to the existing routine workflow. It means urgent testing can be performed without pausing the instrument or requiring any special handling of the sample. Meanwhile, Ortho's Vitros system automatically tracks reagent pack usage, expiration dates, and calibration requirements, using this information to monitor inventory, so busy lab professionals don't need to perform this tracking manually. Ortho remotely monitors our Vitros analyzers to predict issues before they occur, so that we can intervene and prevent downtime. When it comes to menu, Ortho is committed to continually developing new assays. This ensures that you can make full use of the Vitros instruments to optimize workflow in your lab. Since 2014, Ortho has introduced dozens of new or improved assays to the market, including, for example, high-precision new tests for acute kidney injury, HIV infection, measuring insulin levels and immunosuppressant drug levels. And we're taking assay development a step further to make sure you can access novel content. Our Microtip Partnership Assay Program lets us integrate validated high-value third-party assays onto our Vitros systems. In the future, Ortho's next-generation Vitros XT can help you handle larger test volumes within the space constraints of your labs. Vitros XT will introduce multiplexing capability to clinical chemistry. Instead of running one test at a time, you'll run two. It can help you increase your throughput in a small footprint without having to add another analyzer. But the major potential benefit of Vitros XT is in the way it combines dry technology with digital imaging. Digital imaging dramatically increases the amount of information that can be gleaned from our dry slides. And we're only just beginning to understand some of the potential long-term benefits of digital imaging in diagnostics. At Ortho, we are reimagining what's possible in the clinical lab to fundamentally change the way labs operate, now and in the future.